Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. So we just finished our Gatka practice. Now we're heading back home. Today these two guys actually did their leg workout and ab workout. I can see them.
He killed me and him. He killed us.
No, I think they're naturally fit now. And yeah, that's the way forward, guys. I think these fitness vlogs are really working out well. Many people have come forward and at least like they're interested in learning from us what we're really doing. So that's the spirit, guys. Keep it up. And yeah, guys, so it's 3:40 p.m. I'll be having my last meal of the day as soon as I get home. Just a bit, kidogo, kidogo, and from there then I'll just call it a day. Which policeman?
This one, Kidogo is asking for Kidogo over here. Look at him.
Okay, fine, guys. So we ended there. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Hey guys, day 7 complete. Whew, finished a week. I really didn't think I would make it, but it's going good. It's going good. Anyway, it's been a very social day today, so that's why I haven't been vlogging during the day. But yeah, managed to control all my food today, so didn't start eating till about 2 p.m. and then I had my last meal for the day at about 7:30. Didn't eat any fried stuff today, which was like a huge accomplishment because everywhere we went there was fried stuff. So yeah, managed to stay clear of that stuff. Yeah, tomorrow is gonna be my first workout for the week, and yeah, I'm gonna be having my food at about 2 p.m. So let's see how it goes.
So you just go like, she's so short, she won't even come in the video. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. So today I'm with apne veer Dilpreet Singh and Jasdeep Singh.
No, you know what?
Anji, so they've been watching the videos regularly. I think, have you guys watched everything?
Yeah.
Yeah. So they had a few questions which I plan to answer in this same video, and I think Mickey, you can come and ask the question.
Dilpreet Singh ji, Anji, Sasika ji.
Stop. Okay, one more try. One more try.
Okay, we need to go.
No, but make something good. Say.
Okay, if you have broccoli with the soup,
No, wait, can you come
that
and
can
say this?
lose weight.
Wait, hold on.
Seriously.
And then if you have banana with soya sauce, I think that's the best way because you're gonna vomit, all your fat is gonna come out. The best way to lose weight. That's my advice. Sasika ji.
You can like, if you have like knives at home, just use them, cut your stomach up. It can help like a lot. And if you have any other like yeah, if you have a double chin, also use like a chainsaw. Yeah, if it's hard, rigid, use a chainsaw. Like there's a lot of technology.
Why not?
Yeah, if you have the options,
Use a grinder
just
as well.
grinder, chainsaw.
Drill machine,
If
CNC machine.
if in case need be, otherwise you can just do it from home. Desi DIY kisu.
Just cut your throat a bit.
Yeah, and just
That's where most of the fats are stored.
yeah, it's a easy
From here,
technique.
then it goes
you don't
down.
Need to work
As
hard.
you jog, it starts
Yeah.
down. Then it fits here.
So now, like people might be wondering like how to cut the fat off. So you know, you just need to get the fat piece in your hand, and then take the knife and just cut it off. Simple, but if you still need advice, you can just contact Mickey.
It's done this part right
He's just showing you how he's reduced his weight on the thumb.
On the top.
on the toe. My toe lost weight and it lost some skin as well.
So you don't really need to like count your calories, how much you're eating. Like it doesn't matter. Just eat if you feel like eating. Like This guy has paneer over here and it looks so tasty. If you feel like eating, just eat, man.
He's full, he can't finish it. I know it.
It's a short life, you'll never get it again.
I can see it on his face. Look, he's full, he
He's
can't
full,
finish it.
but he's enjoying it. And Ginny just had very little and
He had
it's a
just
sad
put
life.
like dal.
Just enjoy, man.
You need to watch this. You can't do this. You see this? Can you do this? No.
Say,